Everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you how the three most common types of hair clippers work. Let's start with the most common, which is based on the rotary motor design. You find this design in just about all the cheap beard trimmers and a few expensive hair clippers. So there's a DC motor which converts circular motion to linear motion. In the two little diagrams you can see it doesn't matter which direction the motor rotates, the linear resultant motion will always be the same. Personally, they are my favorite because most of them come with a rechargeable battery and they can cost as little as $10. So if they break, you don't have to fix them, you can just toss them out and get a new one. Also, some of the higher end models have variable speed switches or turbo mode in the cheap model I bought a long time ago. Next, we have the barber's workhorse, also known as the magnetic hair clipper. Magnetic hair clippers are the fastest in the market, and it is because as AC power comes in at 60 Hertz or 50 if you live in Europe, a sine wave creates the strongest magnetic field in the coil twice. Once in the positive peak and once in the negative peak. Between the peaks of the sine wave is when the spring pushes on the arm to move the blade, which means that the blade of a magnetic hair clipper moves at 120 Hertz per second, which is 120 Hertz times 60 seconds per minute equals 7200 RPM. Now the small drawback from this high speed and the spring push action is low torque in magnetic hair clippers, and with this high speed also results in high heat of the blade due to friction. Lastly, we have the dual magnetic or pivot motor design similar to magnetic hair clippers. They use the AC power to move the blade, but instead of the spring push action, it relies on the magnetic pull. The pull force on the arm is equal thanks to diodes, as each coil sees either a positive peak or a negative peak. And the blade moves once every sine wave, so we can calculate the speed as follows. 60 Hertz times 60 seconds per minute equals 3600 RPM, which is half the speed of the magnetic hair clipper. But the pull force of clippers results in very high torque. However, the lower speed also is a benefit because the blades don't get as hot. And in conclusion, we can see all the three designs working simultaneously. They have their limitations and advantages. But my goal in this video is not to show you how one is better than the other. It's just to show you how they work and how they're different. I hope you like this video, and thank you for watching.